Hey everyone, John here, and I've got 5 free AI writing tools the tech gurus don't want you to know about. These tools can generate blog posts, emails, captions, and more in seconds. And they're 100% free. Smash that like button and subscribe, as I'll be revealing these secret tools right now. Number 4. Cohesive AI. Cohesive AI is a content creation tool that utilizes AI to assist in creating, refining, editing, and publishing various types of content. It offers more than 50 templates for different types of content, such as blogs, social media posts, and presentation slides. Cohesive AI integrates with various platforms and allows real-time collaboration with team members. It is a valuable tool for content writing, providing powerful AI editing capabilities, curated templates, and content inspiration. Number 3. Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine and chatbot that uses natural language processing and machine learning to provide accurate answers to user queries. It indexes and ranks relevant web pages and documents, searches the web in real time, and provides sources and citations to support its answers. Perplexity AI also functions as a chatbot, allowing users to have conversational interactions. It has an intuitive user interface and is available on the web and as a mobile app. Not accurate view sources, copy to clipboard, edit query. Number 2. Poe AI. Poe is a renowned AI-infused chatbot web application that promptly serves answers to your curiosities. This innovative brainchild of Quora is built on the foundational technology of OpenAI GPT and Claude version 1.2. The platform parades an impressive lineup of distinct chatbots including Sage, Claude+, Claude Instant, ChatGPT, Dragonfly, Bard, Bing, and Neva AI. Some of these chatbots are the prodigies of large language models like the groundbreaking GPT-4, while others are the intellectual property of corporate giants like Anthropic and Neva. Number 1. Claude AI. Claude AI is an AI assistant developed by Anthropic that is capable of performing various conversational and text processing tasks while maintaining reliability and predictability. It can automate workflows, carry out basic instructions, and provide personalized recommendations. Claude is accessible through a chat interface and API in the developer console and can be integrated with sources of real-time information. It is a versatile and friendly AI language model that can assist users in various tasks, including reading assistance and content creation. Claude is a next-generation AI assistant that is based on Anthropic's research into developing trustworthy and harmless AI systems. Not accurate view sources, copy to clipboard, edit query.